It's Mrs. Gaines standing here in front of Kirbyville Elementary School, which is the home of the Splash Into Summer Reading Program. Did you know that the Splash Into Summer Reading Program is going into its 15th year of helping kids right here in Kirbyville maintain or increase their reading levels over the summer? Come on, let's go in and find out more about it. Did you know that without practice, students can lose up to half a school year's worth of progress in reading just over summer break? That's why we encourage all our students to read at least 1,000 minutes during the summer through the Splash Into Summer Reading Program. Students who complete the Splash Into Summer Reading Program are much more likely to return to school at or even above the grade level they were in May. So, what do you get in your summer reading packet? You get a lot of great things. For starters, you get 3 books. These are great books that have been purchased from Scholastic and provided to us at a discount through the Scholastic Literacy Partners. We have been in partnership with them for the entire 15 years of the program. Other sponsors include the Track Family Fun Parks, and we also use our funds from our McTeacher's Night in the spring to help pay for the program. So you get 3 free books and you get to keep them. They are yours. And you get, or actually your parents get, some papers to help you know some ways to make summer reading fun to get the most out of the program. And then finally, you have your summer reading folder. Now, the way this works is for each day that you read at least 20 minutes a day, you write down the date in your folder. Now, the program runs for 10 weeks, and you're expected to read the 20 minutes 5 days a week. So 5 days a week for 20 minutes for 10 weeks, that is 1,000 minutes of reading. There we go, all finished. I've written down all of my reading minutes, 1,000 minutes, done for 10 weeks, 5 days a week, 20 minutes. So, are you wondering who puts the splash into the Splash Into Summer Reading Program? Well, the kids who complete our program get to go on a field trip to Splash Country. That's right, when you return to school in August, open house night, bring back your folder to your teacher or the first day of school. And very soon after that, those children who have met their summer reading goal will be headed to Splash Country. So there you have it. Read 1,000 minutes this summer. That's 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week for 10 weeks, and you'll be headed to Splash Country with all your friends next August. Plus, you'll be a stronger reader. So join us this summer for Splash Into Summer Reading.